gonna be hard to see. Now, like on my tablet, it's black. Oh my god! Oh my god!
That was loud, Daddy. I didn't like that one.
I love that. Oh my god.
I didn't.
I did. My camera definitely saw it. Can't wait for the next one. Yeah, it's gonna be the exact same thing. Oh my god! Look at that smoke! Oh my god. I think that's it.
Sorry, and
Two.
get the witches one in a minute.
Yeah, there's the one shot one, the one to shoot places.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
It's cold.
This. Yeah, definitely. Here he goes. Oh god.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Should we get the sparklers next?
Yeah, there is one more left there.
Yes, time for some more sparklers. Time for the sparklers. And what the hell is on here?
Are you liking that one first?
What are you doing? I'm just so excited. I don't think they are. What? Oh.
Bend it.
Stop. No. Ooh.
tablet.
Good.
Yeah. Yeah, nice.
On
Look at me.
Trying not to get too.
Alright.
Are you okay, Mum?
You're absolutely right.
Oh, mine went out.
Be careful with those.
Are they all gone now?
Yeah.
Shall I get the witchy one?
Yeah. Be careful where they go.
I ain't gonna help you, this is fine. I'm sure I just take the telephone off.
Here's just an extra one, which is right. Wow, it's gonna. It went out. Oh my god, I can't wait for the 81 one. Ow.
Cannot feel my fingers.
Why?
Just tired. We got one more big firework for the top and then we're going to go in.
Is it just the one?
Yeah, this last one.
I took the top off, but
Is that what it said?
yeah, it says take the cardboard off.
That's one whole big one, which will shoot 81 times.
Just be careful, Lars. Just be careful.
Mrs. Lars. Cooper Lars. Nate Lars. Ruby
Come on
Lars.
now, we're all waiting.
Yes?
Okay.
Oh my god!
Wow. That was a good one.
No! This is the end now.
No more. Oh, come on then.
That was fun.
Did you get it?